Darlene, and welcome to Super at 60. Today's a collaboration with two of my very dear buddies right here on YouTube, Jennifer over at A Country Life and Leslie at The Farming Pastor's Wife. Both charming ladies, both beautiful channels. Make sure that you check out their videos today. They'll be linked down below. It's just two. So make sure you go and check out those two ladies. They're going to have beautiful cranberry recipes for you today. And that's what today is all about. It's a holiday cranberry celebration. How about that? And Jennifer is a cranberry farmer, so she may have a heads up on us, but hey, that's okay. We'll give her a run for her money, right? All right, so I think today I'm going to give you about 3 recipes and a bonus. There's going to be a bonus at the end just for you guys, just for being here today. I'm going to start with a quick cranberry apple turnover. And I mean super quick, that's the way I like it, so that's the way we're going to get it done tonight. And also a sweet cranberry orange chicken bake. It's absolutely delicious. The sauce alone is so good. You'll want to serve it with rice, or I like to serve it with stuffing sometimes, make up a little side of stuffing. And then a delicious holiday cranberry smoothie. Oh, you do not want to miss this one. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for a really great smoothie recipe. Well, I guarantee you I have one today just for you. All the recipes for today will be down below. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start with our delicious cranberry apple turnover, and you just need some frozen or refrigerated pie crust from the store. You're going to need a couple apples, of course some cranberries, these are frozen cranberries, some sugar, and a little cinnamon. Yeah, and we're just about ready to go. First I'm going to go ahead and peel up my apples. Now make sure that you save your apple peels and the core, because we're going to do something fun at the end here. All right, here's one of the pie crusts I rolled out and put on a piece of parchment paper and on this little, it's one of a smaller cookie sheet. I'm gonna take all of my apples and my cranberries as much as I can. Sometimes I overdo it with the apples. This is 2 apples that I have in here today, and it's probably a little bit too much, but that's okay. I'll just put the rest of them in a pot on the stove and make a little applesauce. Make do, right? All right, you don't want to overload it too much, but do make sure you get some of those beautiful, beautiful sparkling cranberries in there, because that's what today is about anyway, cranberries. So let's celebrate them. All right, so what I'm going to do here, let me turn this around. I'm simply going to take the top, roll it over, just like a turnover. We'll get just a little bit fancy with this little cranberry apple turnover. I have these sweet little cookie cutters, and I'm going to take the other pie crust, because it comes a packet of 2, and let's see if we can make that come out really good. Oh, came out so good, you want to release. Look at that. That sweet little apple. Can you guys see that? All right, and we'll use, let's use a leaf. Just press it down hard and then give this a press. And hope that comes out for you. Oh, you know what? Just give it a press. And, oh, Darlene. Look how pretty. That is so, so pretty. I hope you can see that. I hope that's focusing. All right, so we have an apple and a leaf. And let's take this pumpkin, because why not? Oh, these are cute. You could just do this with your kids or your grandkids, and sprinkle a little sugar on top of them. There's a little pumpkin. All right, let me show you what we're gonna do with these cute cookie cutters. our favorite dishes to have for dinner, particularly this time of year, is this incredible cranberry orange chicken bake. It is so delicious. You can double it, you can triple it, no matter what. You can make this for a very large crowd or just for the 2 of you or the 4 of you. I'm gonna prepare enough for probably 4 of us tonight so that we have some leftovers, 'cause why not? So let's get started. All right, we'll start by making this unbelievably delicious sauce. And we're gonna use some French dressing. You can use Russian dressing, Catalina dressing, one of those types of dressings. It's absolutely perfect. And you can see I had the store brand, so you could do that too if you like. This really is a very inexpensive meal. You also need 1 can. Now, believe it or not, this can was actually packed upside down to get the lid off. So I think I can't turn it over, you know, because it'll all spill out, but it's the whole berry cranberry sauce. That's what you want, okay? And 1 package of the onion dry soup mix. Yeah, whatever, whether it's a store brand or the, you know, big name. All right, so 1 cup of our dressing. Now you need the entire, I believe it's a 14-ounce can. Let me make sure. Yep, 14-ounce can of cranberry, whole berry cranberry sauce. Yeah, that always tastes better than the other one, I think. See the whole berries in there? It's beautiful. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. I think I picked the right pan today for sure. I love it. All right, and now just open up your dry onion mix and put that in. I'm just gonna give it a mix. Okay, we're also gonna need a zest of an orange. About half of this orange I'm gonna zest up and put in here. Remember, when you zest, try really carefully to only get the orange. Do not get that white pithy part underneath. Very bitter. Yeah, it'll change it. Actually, you can smell it. If you get some by accident, you can actually smell it. It's not good. All right, so half of this orange is going in. Make sure you get it all. Okay, good. Now just give it a good stir. It smells amazing. It really does. And that's all you do. I mean, that is all there is to it. Just like that. Okay, so I'll bring my pan over. I have about 4 chicken breasts in here. Give it a little salt and pepper. All right, I did oil the pan just a little bit. And it does, my recipe always suggests that you do that no matter what pan you're using, whether it's a glass pan or this is cast iron, enamel cast iron. So, all right, and then all you have to do is pour this incredible sauce over the chicken. And that is it. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes, okay? And then we'll take the top off. You wanna make sure you cover it really tightly with you know, foil, or if you have a pan as well that has a lid to it. Oh, it just looks so good. It smells so delicious. Look how pretty it is in that pan. I love it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go over to the oven, stick it in, and that'll be that for about 30 minutes. For your holiday cranberry smoothie, you'll need some milk, some ice cubes, a splash of cranberry juice, An orange, make sure that you save the peels. We're gonna need those later. Some frozen cranberries, a little bit of cinnamon, some honey to your liking. You know, if you like it a little sweeter, add a little bit more. And some vanilla, which I forgot to add to the video, but it is in my smoothie. I put it in there. And of course the recipe will be below like it always is. All right, let it blend for at least 1 minute till you don't hear any ice banging against the side of the blender. Smooth it out and serve it and enjoy. And there you have your holiday cranberry smoothie. Gotta taste it, right? You know what? That is absolutely delicious. I hope that you'll make it. It's refreshing. Look at the glass is all chilled. Really, it's truly a treat. You can start out your day or you can end your day with a beautiful holiday cranberry smoothie. All right, and for your little bonus at the end here, I wanted to show you something that I use all the time. You'll probably see it on my stovetop almost every video. It's this sweet little copper pot a dear neighbor gave to me a while back, and I keep it filled with something yummy all the time that just smells like $1,000,000, okay? So I said save your apple rinds and your cores and your peels and all the orange from our smoothie. Woo! Well, here it is, okay? I'm gonna put it in the pan. Here's an apple going in. Here's a little bit of apple slices, skin, a little bit more orange. There's some more orange in there. I'm putting it in that sweet little pot, just like that. And all you have to do is take a little spice or some cinnamon or something that you love. You could put some cloves in here and just sprinkle it in, just like that. I'll take it over to the stove and I'll show you how we finish it up. All right, here in the back of my stove, I have this sweet little thing here called a warm zone. I love it. I've had it on several other ovens as well. It's a really nice option to have. And I just keep that sweet little pot back here all the time. And it's a potpourri. I put all kinds of things in here. Depends upon the time of year, all that stuff. You can fill it right up to the top. Sometimes I even stick a cinnamon stick in there, and that smells so good too. And then just kind of punch it down, mix it up a little bit. This warmer, it just keeps it warm. That's all. It's just gonna steam a little bit. It's not gonna boil, nothing like that. Well, I had a great time in my kitchen today. I hope you did too. If you're coming by here for the first time, I hope that you'll press that like button if you enjoyed the video today. And I would love it if you'd press that subscribe button and join the family here and the friendship that we have here at Super at 60. We have a very good time and we have some great friends. I call them friends, subscribers. The same with Jennifer and the same with Leslie. Their links are down below. Please go and check out their cranberry dish or dishes that they're going to make today as well. I hope you enjoyed everything. That smoothie is so delicious. I hope you'll try it. You can change out any fruit too. If you'd rather have frozen strawberry or a frozen banana, you could always throw a frozen banana in there. That'll taste really good. That incredible apple cranberry turnover. Oh, that is so delicious. I hope you'll try that. And those sweet little cookies, that's fun for the kids and they're just adorable. And that chicken dish is just incredible and it's so beautiful. It's very festive, very lovely and very delicious. Just serve it with rice or with stuffing on the side or even mashed potatoes if you like. And then that wonderful potpourri. Oh, I can smell it already. See it back there? Thank you again. I'm Darlene. This is Super at 60. I'll see you real soon. Bye now and Lord bless.